festival is the most celebrated cultural festival among the Penars. Bedingklum is known as chasing away the demon of cholera. It is celebrated annually in July after the sowing period. It is the most important dance festival of the Jaintia tribes. This festival tour is also an invocation to God, seeking his blessings for a bumper harvest. The women, however, do not participate in the dancing, as they have an important function of offering sacrificial food to the spirits of the forefathers. The festival held at Jowai is one of the most well-known and recreational festivals in Meghalaya. The rituals in the Bedingklum festival. A series of religious rites is being performed by the Dalai or the chief. During the Bedingklum Cultural Festival tour, young men make a symbolic gesture of driving away of the evil spirit, plague, and disease by beating off the roof of every house with bamboo poles. The climax of the celebration is the fight for a large undressed beam by two groups of people in opposition to each other. This leads to the heavy beam get across a muddy ditch called Wa and Nar. A lot of horseplay enters into this part of the event when mud is smeared by the participants on each other. During the celebrations of Bedingklum Festival of Northeast India, the ceremony and ritual is carried out for 3 days, and on the last day, in the afternoon, people will gather in a place called Atnar, and both young and old will dance to the tunes of the pipes and drums. The dances are highly emotional when tall decorated structures called rods and a wooden post called knongs will be brought into the pool. It is desirable that there should be rain on the day of the festival. The climax of this famous festival of Northeast India is when people dress up in their best attire will converge to a place called Mintong to witness a game played similar to football called Dad Lawakar. The game is played with a wooden ball between the northerners and the southerners. The side wins the match by putting the ball on the other side will signify that in the following year there will be a bumper harvest in that particular region. In the evening, there will be a lot of funfair and merrymaking.